Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Jackrabbit TV back here with another YouTube video at Clearwater Beach. Today, you know, just going to the pool out here and going to the beach. I'm gonna go take my medicine. I already got my shoes on, but like, yeah. Let me just show you the outside area. This is the key to the beach. Walk here. Walk over here. Hot tub. There's no bubbles on it, and the lights are not on. Those things over there, those are lights. And then, oh, you can't see that. You see something facing. That's the walkway to inside. Last time I was there, my dad fell over and bent his ankle. Here's the table with things drying. There's my rash guard. That's my dad's swimsuit, and that's mine that I wore yesterday. And then this house already has beach toys. You know what I'm saying? Already has beach toys. And then, this is the part you want to see. I can show you without this. Here's what the pool looks like. It's not even that cold. I swam in it yesterday, but yeah. This is what the backyard looks like in the beach house. Oh! It smells like poop over there, but you should come over there. I don't want to walk over there, but there's a koi pond. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go take my medicine and I'll just see you in the next clip. Alrighty guys, I just took off like my night clothes and hold on, let me get all my Crocs in. Yeah, I'm wearing these glasses today, so yeah. Let's head back outside and go swimming. I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Probably just sit out there. Yeah. Oh yeah, Daddy, come here. Say hey, YouTube video.
A YouTube video?
Yeah. But yeah, probably gonna go to the beach later or something. But yeah, see you in the next scene. How the BLT's looking right now. Got some tomatoes, more tomatoes, mayonnaise, and finna get lit tonight. I'm just put old brewski, you know, I'm just fine. Yeah. And yeah, here's all the snacks, but yeah. Play goggles. Alrighty guys, it's like 11 o'clock and I already been swimming. We went down to the beach. I didn't really see it because like I turned around, but yeah, but yeah. And now we're eating BLTs. We came back to the pool, swam for like an hour, and then now we finna eat some BLTs. So yeah, let's just get it. Let's get it. Hey, what's up, guys? The plate is done. Got these off-brand cheese curls. BLT sandwich. Let's try it. Alright. Pretty good sandwich. Give it like an 8 out of 10. Yeah. See you next scene. Alrighty guys, it's 1:40. We just got back from swimming. And yeah. I just got dried off, you know. My family's supposed to be going, my sister and my mom supposed to be going to the beach at like 3. I don't know if I'm gonna go, but tonight we going out to the beach and I'm gonna film it. So yeah. But yeah, just see you in the next clip. Let's just get it. Alrighty guys, what's up? We just got dinner. It's dinner time at the, you know, the house. My dad just made steaks. Baked potato as well. Here it is. There's steak sauce like right on it. And then there's a butt ton of ketchup. And then, you know, potatoes. Oh, you thought it was gonna go without trying steak? I know this is a little piece. Medium rare. I think a little bit more than medium rare. Pretty good. Pretty best. So steak is not the best thing I have, but I'll do an 8 out of 10. Yeah. But alrighty guys. Well, right now we're going to see the sunset.
Let's go.
Right, Abby?
Right.
Yeah, we're going to see the sunset.
Vlog.
Yeah, again. Yeah. But yeah, we're going to see the sunset right now. And yeah, I'm gonna record it. But yeah, this probably will be the thumbnail of the video. But yeah, ready to go? Alright, let's go. Wow, look how beautiful it is. There's the sun. Abby. Hey, Abby. Hi. By the way, that's my sister. Her name's Abby. But yeah, there's the sun. That's where it's more like, you know, like, there's my toes. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that water. You can't even see the camera that I'm recording on because of the sunlight. Yeah, this is definitely the thumbnail. Beautiful. There's my mom. Seaweed. But yeah, look at this. Oh shoot, that's a lot of shells. There's lots of shells out there. Look at this water. Look at this water. Alrighty guys, so beautiful. I'm staring at the sun right now. You know, life on the beach. But yeah, turn around. Yo guys, you probably can't see me right now. I don't think y'all can. But like, yeah, that'll do it for the YouTube video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace out. Bye.